Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we're going to have another demo for the installation of the popular support app for smartwatches. This support app is pretty popular support app for affordable smartwatches. So what we have is the Fitpro app. Okay, we already have a quick guide for our Android smartphone. This time we're going to show you a quick guide for the iOS platform. So we have here a wearable, okay, and we have the iPhone. Okay, to be able to install the support app, you need the QR code for the smartwatch, okay, or for the app. It's available in the user manual and of course here in the smartwatch. Okay, so let's search for the Fit Pro app. Okay, so we are already familiar with the support app. We know the name here and the logo, so just search it in the app store, okay, in your iPhone. So we have here several apps. Fit Pro app. Okay, so the legit Fit Pro app here is this one. Okay, this is the logo. Fit Pro, okay, and it is in the lifestyle section. Okay, so just download it. Okay, so we have here the app. Application description: Fit Pro is a smart software that compatible with smart bracelet devices. Okay, so let's download it. Okay, so it is a very light smartwatch, okay, and compatible with a lot of the devices or smartwatches. Okay, while we are waiting, okay, again for the QR code of this app, it is available sometimes here in the smartwatch or in the user manual. So let's check it. Let's check it out here. Is it available? Or I'm just dreaming. Okay, so we have here the QR code. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so we have here successfully downloaded the Fit Pro app for the iOS platform. Okay, so it's time to install our smartwatch here. Connect it with the Fit Pro app. So again, let's open the app. Okay, so here it is asking for permissions. Allow Fit Pro to access your location while you are using the app. So just allow it. So here we have here, okay, the permissions. So just allow all of this. Okay, so sleep analysis, steps, walking and running distances. Okay, you can also disable it later on if you want to. Okay, minimize the permission of your smartwatch to your account or to your smartphone. So we have here, you have the option to register, okay, or just skip it. Okay, so in our case we will just skip it, jump over. If you want to store your record or your data, okay, you have to sign up or register with the app so it can store your everyday data in the cloud. Okay, so we have here the UI of the Fit Pro. So similar to Android platform. Okay, here on the bottom part, okay, we have home, settings, motion, and profile here, me. Okay, for the home, we have your health data, okay, and activity data. For the settings, it's for the setup of your smartwatch. On the bottom part, this is for the sports function. Okay, so what we are going to do is to connect our smartwatch or smart band. So go to the settings. Okay, as you can see here, so no device connected. Bind devices to experience more features. So we will connect our smartwatch or smart band to the app. Tap on it. So we have here, it will search for other available smartwatches. Okay, so what are the smartwatches here? Meteor, let's check. So let's try and check for our wearable. Is it available here? So let's check the MAC here. BA039C, as you can see here. Okay, so we don't have the name here of the smart band, so this one is ID. Okay, 125 or 1125 or 115. While here it has a different name. It's only have the LM707 with the MAC address BA039C. So this is our wearable. Okay, tap on it. I guess let me see the model here. I guess this one is 115 plus. Okay, see here. So it's not LM707 as stated here. So here 115 plus. Sometimes they use other name for wearables, okay, to identify it. So that's why if you are confused, just go to the settings, check on the about section, and you will see the MAC address of your wearable. Okay, so Bluetooth pairing request LM707 would like to pair with your phone. Just tap on it to pair. Okay, so let's see, are we connected? I guess we are connected now. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so we have successfully connected our wearable to the Fitpro app in the iOS platform. Okay, and the next setup here is the notifications. So go to your message push settings. Okay, activate the app that you want. Sometimes it will ask you for permissions. Just allow the notification permission to the wearable. Okay, so that's it. Other settings, vibration settings. We also have remote shutter here, message push settings. Okay, already we're done with that, and that's it. Okay, again, very easy to connect, very easy to install. So if you have any questions regarding the setup of the Fitpro app in the iOS platform, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Again, if you have some problems with the connectivity or pairing, just go here on the settings here. Okay, let's go here, settings, tap on your Bluetooth here. Okay, and just forget the device. Okay, so if you are already connected to the app, okay, sometimes it connects automatically to the smartwatch even though there's no support app. Okay, the Bluetooth is connected, just forget device. Okay, so that's it. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup of the Fitpro application in the iOS platform or iPhone, okay, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Again, this is the quick guide for the Fitpro app in iOS. Goodbye.